you guys doing out there? My name is Kenneth. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology projector screens using smart technology gain. I tell you something, every time I introduce this screen or this chemical to a different form of environment, like I said, the environment is constantly changing when it comes to lights. These screens are absolutely amazing, and as I said before, these screens do not carry the traditional gain as the 1.1 and 1.2 and 1.9, whatever these screens carry. Our screens is not a fabric or material, but a chemical. And this chemical has a custom engineered gain called smart technology gain that allows it to absorb in more light than your average projector screen. Now we have the black curved screen up here. This is just a prototype, just to let you guys know. And the screen is sitting, let's go all the way up here. The screen is sitting 10 feet. Well, actually the projector is 10 feet away from the projector. So we're doing this long throw. The projector we're using is an NEC. This is the VT595 projector. It's about 2,000 lumens. As I suggested when it comes to our blackout cloth, that you will need a projector of 25 to 2600 lumens and up in order to execute this screen. The chemical on these screens are completely weatherproof. So this is the chemical that's coated on this particular material, and there is the blackout cloth material behind me over there. And just to let you know that it's, because I have people saying, well, is it the surface? No, it's not the surface, it's a chemical, and the chemical changes the structure of the surface into the crystal edge screen. So that's the wonderful thing about our chemical and our product, is the fact that we don't have to be restricted to films and fabrics and materials and so forth, or compressed materials. We have a chemical which whatever screen we decide to build, we can coat that and it'll look fantastic. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here. I'm going to remove this from the projector so you guys can see how amazing the screen looks. And we're doing this in a fully lit room, but it's not enough light. Now usually when I do these demonstrations, with some of the demonstrations I've done, I've had the screen sitting right about here, right? And I have the light coming in here. This time we're gonna open up the windows, we're gonna allow the direct light to hit the screen head on, so you guys can see how amazing the smart technology gain is. All right, so I'm gonna go over here to the window, and I'm going to open up the blinds fully. As you can see objects outside the window, and as you can see the screen is taking on a lot of light from the window. So this is direct light hitting the window. Sorry, hitting the screen. Oopsie. All right, so let's go over here to the back, my messy environment, and let's start this. That's me bumping into something. Now, sorry if the screen isn't correctly balanced with the curved screen. I'm using an everyday projector, so, you know, I'm not using any software to do this. Now we have the lights on in the house. We have direct light coming from the window, and we're using a 2,000 lumen projector about 10 feet away from the screen. Now, this is what I mean by these screens have amazing gain. Well, I'm Kenneth from Crystal Edge Technology Projector Screens using smart technology gain. I hope you enjoyed this video demonstration. As you can see, the gain capability on these screens are absolutely amazing. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, there's always something more. I'm gonna let this run a little bit, guys. Let's take away the light from the window. Lit room, plenty of lights. 10 feet from the screen. This is just to give you an idea that, I know it's signed off already, but just want to say a few things. This is just to give you an idea that if you have a window that's next to your screen, even if it's hitting the side of your screen is not going to wash out completely. And if you've seen, I had the window open and you can still see the screen crystal clear. There we go. Blinds are open. Look at that. Well, thank you all for watching.